I had the opportunity to invite few people, yeah, and they were actually issued this same visit visa. I want to share this information based on my own experience, like the documents that we uploaded that made them to approve these visas that these people did. Yes, for students that want to bring in their parents to attend your graduation. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Emozuzu. For those of you that are just seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe. UK visit visa is one visa that is very common. Like every now and then, if you go to the embassy, so there must be a proof of relationship. Okay, there must be something that is tying the two of you, that they will look at the document and they will actually say that yes, indeed, this person is your relation. If it's your parents that you are inviting, you can attach your birth certificate. Not necessarily their own birth certificate, but your own birth certificate should specify that this person is your father, this person is your mother. I'm saying this because so many students want to like bring in their parents for their graduation. Yeah. Please do not forget, very important, don't let them overstay, because it's going to be an offense and it's going to affect future visa application. Okay, so that's why you have to make sure that at least a month before the expiration of their visa, they must have gone back home. Yeah, very key. So that next time if they apply, they will still give them, and it will not still affect you that invited them. So most students, you find that most students want their parents, their siblings, their sisters, of course, to come for their graduation, to join them in, in the celebrations and all that. So yes, once you do it the right way, of course, they will issue you this visa. So I'm coming to that for students, but I'm just saying it generally, okay? After that, the next invitation letter, yeah, there must be an invitation letter. You that is inviting the person must write that, okay, right? You must send an invitation letter to the person stating, okay, please, I want you to come over. Always on that invitation letter, there must be a reason why the person is coming over. You must state it there, like, see the reason why I want this person to come. Okay, I want my mom, I want my dad, I want my siblings to come for my graduation, I want my mom to come for child support, yeah, whatsoever it is. It depends on the reason why you're bringing them in. So that reason must be there on that invitation letter. Remember, you are the one sending this invitation letter to the person. Next, you have to make sure that there is a tie. There is a tie, because many people have had refusals because of this. When there is no proof of tie, like something that will make the person to go back. So this could be a business. Yeah, it depends on the business that the person you are bringing over is doing over there. So these ties can actually come in different ways. It could be business, it could be relationship, it could be that the person have a child, it could be that the person have like a aging mother or so whatsoever, someone that will actually make him to go back to where he's coming from. You must provide those evidence. Yeah, if the person has a business, you will not just say that he has a business that is running so and so business. There must be proof for that. That business must be registered. Yeah, he must be registered. If it's Nigeria, he must be registered under CAC. And not just that, there must be tax clearance certificates, okay, for that business, on that business name. Okay, so these are the documents to prove that this person is actually doing a business. So if the person is retired, if maybe it's your mom, your dad, and your dad has worked and he has retired, he's not doing anything now, so you just prove to them that yes, this is retired. They will not necessarily tell you to have put the pension benefit documents and all that, but if you have them, please support them with that. Even on the account statement, they will see the like the benefit that are coming as a retired person. But if you have like other supporting documents, like documents of benefit paid and all that, you can upload all that. Also, if you are proving that someone is retired, remember the retiring age of Nigeria. Okay, so you have to get that in mind. So it depends, but the person must be doing something. They want the person to be doing something. Once you have been able to prove that the person have something doing, if the person is working under government or private sector, yeah, they should be able to provide reference. Yes, the company that the person is working for should be able to provide reference for the person. That reference should also be on letterheaded paper, yeah, of the company. And do not forget that that company itself must also be registered, okay, because they will have to check, they will have to verify all these documents. They have to go online. The company must have a registration number and all that. They will have to verify if the registration number or if the company actually exists. Okay, so those are the things that you must get right. Okay, so that is it on the tie. I think I've been able to talk about the tie, because most people are being refused visit visa because they feel that there is nothing that will make the person to want to go back to his or her country. Yes, there should be a cover letter. Yes, I keep telling people this. even if whatsoever visa that you are applying for is not one of the basic requirements for visa application, but at least on yourself, you should be able to attach a cover letter. The VO, that is the visa officer that we are assessing that particular application, once the person opens the cover letter, he already seen everything about the application even before going into the application. So this cover letter, you can just tell them that your name is this, that you're so and so age, just be able to explain yourself, in details. You'll be able to tell them more about yourself, that you've done this business, you've done this, and this is the reason why you are coming over to the UK, that you're so and so person. It could be your daughter, your son, your in-law is inviting you to come over, and this is the reason why it's inviting you to come over, and you have accepted the invitation, and this is how long you are going to stay. You just make everything to be on a cover letter, so that at a glance they already understand that, okay, this is the reason for this particular application, okay, even before they now go into the main application itself. That is why that cover letter is very important. You that you are inviting someone, don't forget to put the document of where you are staying. Yes, it could be if you are under tenancy here in the UK, please do not forget to attach your tenancy agreement. Yeah, because these people, they want to know if this person that you are inviting is coming over, where is he going to stay. Proof. If you have other bills payment that you've made previously, it could be your energy bills, your water bills that have that address of where you are staying. And remember that address must be the same address, of course, that you have on your application, because there is a part on that application that will tell you to provide the address of where you are staying. So you should have some documents that will show that actually this is where you stay, and there should be a tenancy agreement that is attached to it. Yes, so basically these are the supporting documents, okay, that you need to attach that will prove that, okay, that you have strong thing to come and do in the UK, and also to prove that you will definitely go back after your stay. And once you are able to upload all these documents and your application is genuine, they've seen that your application is genuine, trust me, they are going to give you this visa. But if you do otherwise, maybe trying to do some things, to enhance this and all that, it may lead you into trouble. Most people have ended up getting not just a refusal, also 10 years ban, especially if you are using agents. I'm not against you using any agent, no, but I'm just trying to tell you, even if you are using any agent, as I will always say, make sure that any document that this agent is uploading on your behalf, that you are going through all those documents, yes, and you make sure that those documents are actually genuine. If you are uploading any statement of account from any bank, make sure that it's you that actually went to that bank to request for this statement. Yeah, okay, even if you are not even the one, that maybe someone helped you or whatsoever reason, or whichever way that you got the statement, make sure that you take that same statement to the bank for them to stamp it, yeah, and also for them to verify that statement is actually from your account, yes, and have the stamp affixed on it. Very, very important, because these are the reasons why some persons were actually issued 10 years ban and all that, and at the end of the day, it will not just end them a refusal but also a ban. So maybe you are about putting to bed and you want your parent, your mom, your mother-in-law to come and do babysitting for you, to do some childcare support for you. In addition to everything that I've just mentioned now, if you are pregnant and you want your mom or your mother-in-law to come and do babysitting for you, these are the documents that you have to upload to your application. In addition to this document, you must provide MAT B1, that's MAT B1. Most of us are already here in the UK. If you are pregnant, if you have ever been pregnant in the UK, you understand what I'm saying. There is a document that you need to get from your midwife, yeah? So if you want to do your maternity leave benefit and all that, I'm coming to that. I will do another video. If you are, just keep on following. I'm going to do another video on maternity leave benefits. That's UK maternity leave benefits. But that is it for that. So this document is the MAT B1. Yes, MAT. That's MAT B1. Yeah, so this document, you need it. You will get it from your midwife. You have to attach it. It's a document that proves that, yes, indeed, you are pregnant, okay? And then on your cover letter, in addition to what I've just mentioned, I talked about cover letter. On that cover letter, you should be able to state there that, yes, that you need your mom or your mother-in-law to come over to support you during your childbirth, okay? These people, they don't joke with childbirth. They know that as a woman that is pregnant, that wants to give birth, they know that you need support. And if you're able to prove to them that, yes, you actually need this support, of course, they are going to grant this visa. And in addition to that, you can as well attach your family picture, okay, to show that you already have previous children, the children that you have before. You attach snap a family picture here in the UK, yourself, your husband, your children. If you want, you can as well add your pregnancy picture, so that they will know that indeed you are pregnant and you actually need some help from, you need some, support, someone that will help you even take care of other grown-up kids and while assisting in nursing the newborn baby. This document is very vital. You need that document to support your application. If you are a student, you want to just invite someone, your relation, your sister, your siblings, your parent to come over for your graduation. In addition to everything that I've just listed out, you will need to get a letter from the school. Yes, I think that letter should have a number of people that you are permitted to invite. It should be like how many slots that are given to you, the maximum number of people that you can invite for your graduation. So that letter should come from your school stating that yes, you have graduated and your graduation ceremony is holding so and so date, and then you have the permission of the school to bring in close relations you would want to attend your graduation party. And please do not forget that after the graduation, if they are giving the person like 6 months visa, make sure that the person leaves before the expiration of that visa. Okay, because if you decide or if you want that person to overstay, it's going to affect future visa that the person will be applying for. And not just that, it might even as well affect you. Okay, so that's why you have to make sure that the person leaves even before the expiration of the visa. Do not forget that you need to prove too that you have a valid visa, you have a valid BRP here, that your stay here in the UK is still valid. And for you to prove that, you have to upload your international passport as well as your own visa page and your BRP. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much. If you find whatsoever we talk on this channel very interesting, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload new videos. And also, please, you can follow me on my other platform, my Facebook. Yeah, you can see it there. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's the same Blessed Blessing channel. If you have anything that you want me to talk about on my next video, please do well to drop them on the comment section. If you have any questions, I'm there in the comment section waiting for you. And trust me, I'm going to answer those questions for you. Thank you and have a lovely day.